Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. In this video I am going to show you how to repair the LG single door refrigerator choking problem. Then I also tell you how to find the choking problem is there in our fridge or not. So let's begin the video. Friends, coming to back side of this fridge, here you can see this is the condenser and this is the compressor. And this is the filter and this is the capillary coil, and that is the capacitor. This is the compressor, and here you can see the compressor details. Then this is the pin valve gas charging line, and this is the discharge line, and this is the suction line. Friends, in this fridge there is a variation in the cooling process. Suddenly it will rise the cooling, then gradually it is dropping the cooling process. After some time again it is rising, then again it is not cooling. Friends, so this problem is occurred due to choking problem in the gas line, whether it is a oil choke or a moisture choke. Friends, now I am going to tell you how to find a choking problem using this gauge. Friends, using this gauge we can find there is a choking problem is there or not in our refrigerator. So let's connect the pipe. Friends, now I connected the pipe here. Now fridge is not turned on. I just connected the pipe. Here you can see the standing pressure of the gas. Around 55 psi is there. Friends, after that we have to turn on the refrigerator. Now I am going to turn on the refrigerator. Friends, here you can see now gauge is going downside, all the refrigerant is going upside. That's why our gauge is coming down. Now compressor is running. There is a lightly heat in this condenser, discharge condenser. So let's wait. Friends, here you can see our gauge is moving downside to vacuum pressure. This should not happen because we charged the gas around 10 to 15 psi, but now it is showing below vacuum pressure. Friends, here you can see you have to wait some time. Now compressor is running. Now the condenser is not heating because now it is showing a vacuum pressure. After some times there is a rise in the gauge pressure. Here you can see now it is rising. After rising, there is a small amount of heat is generating in the condenser, discharge condenser. Wait a minute. Friends, now you can see now gauge is moving upside. Now this went to the normal condition. Friends, here you can see the gauge is moving upside and downside. So this is due to the choking problem. Friends, if our pressure gauge is moving upside and downside, so it is indicating that our fridge is choked. Whether it is a oil choke, it can be a oil choke or it can be a moisture choke. So we have to remove all the gas outside, then we have to flush all the pipes. We have to clean all the pipes. For that we have to remove all the joints from the compressor side. One is suction line, another is discharge line. Then we have to change the filter also. So this is all about how to identify a choking problem in the refrigerator. This is the first part of our video. In the next part I will show how to flush the condenser pipes, then how to refill a gas to a refrigerator. So in this video we have learned how to identify a choking problem. So this is all about this first part. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.